Here from Phantom Screens. Just want to talk about a wall screen or zip wall screen installation here on a stacker slider. As you can see, the sliding panels slide to the inside of the frame, so we install our screen on the outside. You can see there's a track installed at the bottom, housing on the side, and a track at the top. The screen itself just slides to the side and clips into place. There's a latch here to release the screen. The same latches on the inside and the outside. In this case here, we've installed an optional second stopping point, which allows you to walk in and out easily carrying items. The wall screen's a really good option for large openings like this because it has a zip system. That's why it's called a zip track screen. So the top of the screen actually has a zip in here, which is contained, making it nice and strong and resistant to any wind or anything like that. And a lot of people have concerns about visibility through their screen, or that it's going to be too dark, or they're going to lose their view. As you can see here, the view is perfectly preserved. In fact, there's another screen over here you wouldn't even know is there, again for airflow through this room. There are various meshes that we can fit to these screens, including a pet mesh or privacy meshes, depending on what you want to achieve. If you have any questions about your insect screens, please give me a yell and we'll see what we can do to help.